Hello friends, greetings for the day. Welcome to the Prashant Cloud Talk channel and today new use case and the discussion. But today's discussion is based on the previous video I have shared. This is regarding showing the latest messages from Microsoft 365 Message Center to the SharePoint site. In previous video, we have discussed how to show the latest updates from the Microsoft 365 Message Center to the SharePoint site or our organization intranet homepage. In this video, we are going to discuss how to show the latest messages from Microsoft 365 Message Center in a Teams channel. Okay, the use case is the same, the requirement is the same as we discussed in previous video. If you didn't got a chance to yet to watch the previous video, kindly please watch the previous video so you will get a better idea. But again, to have this in this video, what is the use case? We need to show the latest messages from Microsoft 365 Message Center in our Teams channel. Okay, why this use case born? Basically, there were the Microsoft is continuously releasing the updates, discarding the few features, coming with the new features, the changes, all those things they are maintaining and they are informing us through the Microsoft 365 Message Center. But not all the users have permission to go to the Microsoft 365 Message Center and check the latest updates. It also requires few admins rules, so not every user is an admin. So in this way, we have a requirement. Our IT team come up with the suggestion: why not to render these messages somewhere where all users can watch or all users can view the messages, and then if they feel that that message is for those respective users or teams, they could take the necessary action. Okay, and that's why this requirement is. So previously we discussed that how to show on the SharePoint site or intranet, my organization intranet homepage or something. Today we will discuss how to show this into the team channel. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss how to implement this requirement, showing latest messages from Microsoft 365 Message Center in Microsoft Teams channel. At the end of video you will got to know how to implement this requirement, and then you have an option or opportunity to discuss with your customers, to discuss in your organizations. Okay, let's start. Before as we discussed before starting, I will show you how it looks like. So consider on the screen, this is my team. The team is Prashant Cloud Talk. I have created one channel, messages from Message Center, and in this channel I am getting this. See, this weekly digest I am getting from the Microsoft 365 Message Center, then in particular updates as well. On weekly digest, if I click show more, view more, it shows me all the updates of October 25 to 31. It's showing me like this. And then this is the one-to-one features or updates, like reminder update to Microsoft 365 and Outlook for Windows connected. So in this way, all those messages will be rendered in my Teams channel. How to do that? Implementations are very simple. We need to create one organization-wide Microsoft team. Here, why I am choosing organization-wide Microsoft team? Because I want to show all the messages to all the users. But if you have a specific team, like say your IT team or IT admin team or SharePoint team, then you could create either public team or private team from, and then add those specific members. Okay. Once our team is ready, then we need to create a channel. We'll see how to get the email ID of the channel. We need to require that channel email ID. And once we have a channel email ID, we go to the Microsoft 365 Message Center and put in the preferences section. In other emails section, we will specify our channel and we are done. So let's see. I'm going to my teams. Let's join or create team. Create team from scratch. I'm selecting organization wide team. By default it takes tenant name, but here let's give Microsoft 365 updates. Okay. Let's put good description as usual. This is the team for showing latest updates related to Microsoft 365. Here latest messages from Microsoft 365 Message Center will be okay. Let's create. It's creating the team. Progress is going. Once team is ready, in a couple of minutes it renders. It includes all the. In couple of minutes it includes all the users of our organization as a member. Okay, here it's getting created. So let's wait for a second or something. We have, as usual, by default general channel is there. We could create our new channel as well. Here let's see the manage team. Let's see who are the members, and if you see this, all the users from my organization had added as a owners, and few are the as a members. Okay, so you could change here from okay this I don't want to as owner, make it member. Okay, so let's create a new channel, add channel, give it good name, messages from Microsoft 365 Message Center. Okay, standard, everyone and on the team has access. Okay, let's add it. So we are adding the channel. We have created one organization wide team, and now we are adding the channel to the team. Okay, let's wait for a second. Here you will see that team members will be automatically added and removed to reflect your activity. So this is very good feature added by Microsoft for the Microsoft Teams. This is for basically few announcement related to my organization, to broadcasting message something. Another channel also has that name create. Okay, let's change it to the messages to the updates from Microsoft. Let's add it. I hope it will be added. Okay, both are added. It's okay. Okay, now next step is, as per our implementation details, next step is get the channel email. We have created organization wide Microsoft team. We have created a channel. Next step is get the channel email ID. How to get the channel email ID? Here, get email address. See this. Okay, get email address. It will show us the channel email address. Let's copy it. Copied. What is the next step? Set the preferences. Now we need to go to the Microsoft 365 Message Center. So here I am logged in with my Office 365 portal.office.com with my global admin account here. Okay, let's go to the admin. I'm refreshing it once. I'm going to getting to the admin section. Okay, from admin section we'll go to the message center. So we could directly come up with the admin.microsoft.com admin portal. Okay, it's loading and I came to the message center. Let's navigate to the message center. Okay, under preferences here, as we saw in the previous video as well, there is a two options, custom view and email. In the email section we have primary email address as this, and then we can specify the other email address. So let's show me in notepad. We have copied the channel email address in this way. So we required this one. See, note that how the channel email address comes. This is our tenant ID @in.teams.ms, and this is one the unique identifier. Okay, let's copy this. Control C. I already tried this on my previous channel, but let's Control V, and don't forget to save this. Let's save it. Okay, now whenever we got a message, new message in our channel, will get the update. Changes are saved. It may take up to 8 hours, so please wait for this. Go to the channel. Whenever the message will come, here we will give. But how it will look like, as I already show in the images, and here I have already implemented this yesterday while doing the POC. So if you see here, weekly digest, show more, it shows all the messages like this, all the updates here, whatever in this week we have. Okay, then we have here major update from the message center, see more, and we could see that this is the reminder. Okay, this is again whatever message center. I mean the major update from new Microsoft 365 list entry point. Okay, so this is November 4 Tuesday messages. Okay, and so here in this way you will receive all the messages in this your team channel, and since this is the organization wide team, all the users could see these messages and take the necessary actions. Okay, so this is a short video today, and we will stop here. But if you want to connect me, you could connect me with the email address, my Twitter account, my Facebook account, through my LinkedIn account, or through my blog site knowledge-junction.com. Feel free to connect me for discussing any M365 features, Teams governance, Teams related features, Power Automate. These are my favorite topics, and I like to share the details and discuss. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy your wonderful life. Thank you. Bye for now.